So we will start with question B. Factorize fully 6x squared plus 15x. So what does factorize mean? Factorizing means putting into brackets. So you can have things like, for example, 8 times 7 plus 4, or you can have 9x and I don't know, 17 minus 21. So this is what factorizing means, putting things into brackets. So right now we have the open version of the equation. Open means like, so for example, if you have 2x plus 2x open bracket 1 plus 2, the open version is multiply this by this, 2x plus 2x times 2 is 4x. So this is the open version, and this is what we currently have. What we need is to make this equation into this. So let's get started. The way to start is you need to find the common terms that go both inside 6x squared and 15x. This common term will be outside the bracket. So common term of 6 that goes both in 6 and 15 is, so to have 6 you can have 1 times 6, 2 times 3, 3 times 2, 6 times 1. To have 15 you can have 1 times 15, 3 times 5, 5 times 3, and 15 times 1. So the common term that will be going outside will be the largest common term. So 1 is a common term in both, 2 is not, but 3 it is. 3 is a common term. So 3 is the number that we will have outside. If you notice also, x is a common term of both of these, not x squared, because here you do not have a squared. So x, just x, is a common term that will be going outside. Okay, so now that we have that, we need to see how to make up these terms using this component that we have. So how do we get 6x squared? We multiply our 3x by 2x. So when you multiply 3x times 2x, I'll just put in a bracket to make it easier to understand, you will get 6x squared. And this is how we got this. Moving on to the next component, with our 3x, how do we get 15x? That is simple. We also forgot to add that, because we have this plus will just get copied over in the brackets. So going back, how we get 15x from 3x, we just simply multiply by 5. So, you know, this is how we get 5 times 3 is 15. So we already have the 3. We're going to multiply by 5. So when you multiply this by this, you get 3x times 5. You get 15x. So now that we have our full equation, which is the answer, you can test it to see if it's actually right. So if I do 3x times 2x, I get 6x squared, and then you have the plus 3x times by 5, you get 15x. So our answer is 6x squared plus 15x, which is exactly what we got here. So that's how we know our answer is right.